Welcome to this 5-minute meditation to calm your mind instantly. Find a quiet spot, sit comfortably, and let's begin. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Let's do this 2 more times. Inhale and exhale. Now, shift your focus to your body. Relax your shoulders, soften your jaw, and let your hands rest comfortably. Bring your attention to your breath. Don't try to control it. Simply notice it flowing in and out, like gentle waves. If your mind starts to wander, that's okay. Gently guide it back to your breath. You're here to simply be. Now, take one last deep breath in, and slowly exhale. Open your eyes when you're ready. How do you feel? Remember, just 5 minutes like this every day can transform your mental health. Save this video and share it with someone who needs it.